sets, and we'll go, left hand is an underhand for this one, and we'll go in anti-spin first, so it'll go back, up, front, down, and then in-spin, front, up, back, down, then anti, back, up, front, down, then in-spin, front, up, back, down, then back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, front, up, back, down, and back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down, and last one, back, up, front, down, and front, up, back, down. In overhand, we'll start with the anti-spin, so it will go front, up, back, up, front, down, 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 up, back, up, front, down. Last one, front, up, back, up, front, down. You're gonna go like this. The left goes back and the right goes front first, and then the left will go front, right will go back, and you reverse at the bottom. And reverse, third set, and reverse, and fourth set, and reverse, and fifth set, and reverse, and sixth set, and reverse, and seventh set, and reverse, and eighth set, and reverse, and ninth set, and reverse, and 10th set, and reverse. 5, 6, 7, 8, anti-spin, and reverse to in-spin, and anti-spin, and reverse to in-spin, and third set, anti-spin, reverse to in-spin, and anti-spin, reverse to in-spin, and fifth set, anti, and reverse, sixth set, anti, reverse, and seventh set, anti, reverse, and eighth set, anti, reverse, and ninth set, anti, reverse, and last set, reverse. Right hand overhand, left hand underhand. We're gonna start with the anti-spin. 5, 6, 7, go. Anti, then in-spin. And then reverse to anti, and then in-spin. And then anti, and then in-spin, and anti, and then in-spin. Anti, and in-spin, and anti, and in-spin, and anti, and in-spin, and then anti, and in-spin, and 2 more sets, anti, and in-spin, and last set, anti, and last in-spin.